guys, welcome back to another video on SugarPinkDIY, and in today's video I want to share with you guys my room tour. And I think that the last time that I uploaded a room tour video was back in 2020 around January, and since it was January and it was winter time, I wanted my room to be winter wonderland theme decor. So I had like a light blue comforter, and then I also had some pillows and some snowflakes on my wall, and then there was only one section with a bunch of colors, which was my stationery section, where I had all my pens, my markers, my highlighters, and everything else that I used for school. So I'll leave the link in the description box in case you want to go watch that video for a before and after video. This would be the after video. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys how I redecorated my room, how I organized some of my things, and some ideas or some tips on how you can also organize your room or your things within your room. And then another thing was, back in December 2020, I realized that the colors that I was using for my room didn't go along with my age, since I just turned 23 this January. So I don't know if you guys have been through this. So like before, let's say when we were little, like we used to like princesses or cars, superheroes, so everything was based off of those themes or those ideas, those colors. But as we get older, we also change our ideas or our ideas, our colors, our themes. So the colors didn't go well with my age. But without any further ado, let's go on to the video. Alright you guys, so as soon as you walk into my room, I have this pink hanger, and then I just have this small flower crown, and I just feel like these colors go really well together. Plus I feel, or I also think, that these colors give sort of like a color pop to my room because everything else is white and gray. And on the other side of my room, I have my bed, and one tip to make your bed look bigger is place all of your non-decorative pillows on the back, just to give your bed a little bit more of a volume, and then on top add all of your decorative pillows. For example, this one is one of my favorites because it has like a woven decoration or texture. You can also decorate your bed using some shaped pillows. For example, this one, I got it from Target in the $1 to $5 section. Another idea is to use some stuffed animals. So this one I got it at Walmart for $20, and it's only available during the Valentine's Day season. Next to my bed I have this nightstand, and on this one I have an Eiffel Tower, a small plate, and a candle, which also serves as a small decoration, and it also gives kind of like a good scent to your room. And let me show you what I have in the drawer. So on the first drawer I have 2 books and a journal to write whatever I need to write or whatever I think of. And then on the second drawer I have 2 keychains, which can also be used as bracelets. So this one, I really like this one because it's a mint color. And then the other one, this one actually my mom made it, and I really like this color. I don't know, I feel like this pink, it's really pretty. And then she added these cute diamonds in the middle, and you can also use it as a bracelet. And right next to these I have an old phone, which I used to use back in high school, so I still keep it because I have some old photos from when I was in high school basically. And all the way underneath I have this stool, which I sometimes use for my Instagram stories or photos. On the other side of my bed I have another nightstand, and on this one I have a gold lamp. And one thing that I haven't told you guys, but I think it's a good idea or a good tip, is to pick a color scheme when decorating your room. So for example, I have white, gray, and some accents in gold. And I also want to share with you guys some ideas on how you can organize your hair clips. On this side I have 3 lipsticks, and to organize all of your hair ties you can use a hair claw just to hold them. I also keep a nail care set in this drawer, and on this other side I have some hair clips or bobby pins that I got from Target for $1, and the only ones that came in this small set were the white, blue, green, and gold. And to keep my bobby pins organized, I added this flower one and these silver ones as well. Right next or underneath I have other hair clips that I also got from Target. And one tip or one idea on how to organize these kind of hair clips is fold the paper into 4, and then this will make the paper thicker. Then just clip on all of your hair clips, and this will make it easier for you to choose which ones you want to wear. It will also allow you to look at the colors or look at the designs. To organize all of your headbands, you can also use a small hair claw or a hair clip and then hold them. You can also use these headbands as a string to clip on all of your small hair clips. For example, I have some really cute flower clips, a butterfly clip, and 2 hearts. Right next, I have a nail filer, and underneath is my miscellaneous drawer. So in this one, I have some small buttons for my sweaters, a set of hardware just in case this nightstand has to get fixed or something. And I also have a stretchy band for, I don't know why, I just know I have it here. Like, can you tell it's miscellaneous? And lastly, I have some fairy lights, which I normally use for my Instagram photos or my Insta stories, as well as for some videos to upload here on YouTube. And all the way underneath, I have some hand lotion from Aveeno, and it's creamy moisturizing. And the bottle is also pink, so it can go along with some small pink accents within my room. So right next to my bed, I have 2 cube organizers, which is where I put some small decorations or small accents, as well as some cubes with a bunch of things in them. So on this first section, I have this really cute pen with a feather, and then right next I have another candle that I got from Target, and this was $3. Underneath this section, I have a cube with a bunch of things that I use for my videos, so a camera and some batteries. Underneath is the microphone that I use to record my voiceovers. Then here's a cube with a bunch of things. Then right here I have a unicorn coin bank that I got from Tuesday Morning, and this was only $6.99. And I like this one because it's all white and it only has the horn in gold, so it can go along with the color scheme or color combination that I chose for my room decor. In this other cube, I have a bunch of things for my cat. So for example, his ball, his sweater, this tunnel for him to play with, and then his leash so we can go out for walks or take him out for walks. On the other cube organizer, I have this jewelry holder with some bracelets that my mom and grandma gifted me, and then I also have some rings. So the heart-shaped one, my mom gave it to me, and then the crown one, I got it for $1. And right next to this, I have a trophy that my friends and I won back in 2016 on a business competition. Underneath, I have this really cute and glittery backpack with nothing in there, but I like using it as a decoration for my room. And all the way underneath, I have 3 more storage bins with a bunch of things as well. Right in the center, I have this journal and a mug with 2 cute pens. And out of the 2 pens, I think this one's actually my favorite because it has the diamond on the top. And I like keeping them out, just 1 because they're accessible, and 2 because I feel like they add a cute decor to my room. And this mug, actually my brother's girlfriend gave it to me on my birthday, and I really like it because it has the rainbow, plus the phrase is super cute. It says make time for sunshine. On this other side, I have this picture frame with a picture from prom 2016, and there I am with the pink feather thing on my neck, and then 2 of my friends. And I actually used this picture frame as inspiration for the title video that I uploaded 2 weeks ago. And above this, I have another candle. This one's a unicorn shaped one, and it also has the horn in gold, so it can go along with all of the other gold accents within my room. And right next, I have another cube organizer, and this is where I keep all of my stationery items. So for example, some pens, my highlighters, my outliners, staplers, some ink for my printer, and then way underneath is where I have all of the other items. So for example, some clips, which these are really helpful and useful in case you have a bullet journal. And then I also have some magnets, flash drives, a glue, some scissors, and more highlighters. And I also have another box just in case I have to put something else. And I actually added the white door so no one could see the colors and my room could still look somewhat clean. Right next, I have this other shelf, and all the way in the top I have my cutting machine, which I use for my stickers. Underneath, I have all the paper that I use to make my stickers. So for example, the plain, the glossy, and the cardstock. Right next, I have my purse, and I only have some hand lotion and my wallet in there just in case we need to leave or go out. I always have it ready. On the bottom is this printer, which I use for my stickers. Right next, I have this binder and 2 more notebooks. All the way underneath is another printer for a different kind of paper, and I actually have this one on top of a wooden box, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to paint this box white or just leave it the way it is, so I just left it the way it is right now in case I need to use it for a different project. Right in front is my desk, and I only have my laptop, my phone, and all the way underneath is my Bible. And this Bible, I actually read it in college. So in college, I took a religion class, and I think I took Intro to the New Testament, and so they taught us how to analyze the stories and how to compare and contrast all of the different stories within the New Testament. So above my desk, I have my mirror, and then here's a quick and easy DIY in case you want to redecorate or make your mirrors look more aesthetic. So I added some cute rhinestones or diamonds. So I just added the rhinestones all the way around the frame, and they actually already had glue, so I didn't have to use any sort of or type of glue. So through the reflection, you can see everything around my room. So my bed, some LED lights, which I will be turning them on once it's dark outside, and then the cube organizers, which also help my cat look out the window because he walks on them, and then he can reach the actual window. And this is how the LED lights look once I turn them on and it's dark outside. Alright guys, and this was it for today's video and ideas. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that these tips or these ideas on how to organize your things were helpful in case you're looking for new ways on how to organize yourself, and see you on the following video. Bye guys!